now we're going to be doing one that is a little bit more complicated, and we're going to use 1 over x squared. So if I look at f of x plus h, this is 1 over, wherever I have an x, I remove that, and then I'm going to put in an x plus h. Now I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to leave it alone. This is 1 over x plus 1 over x squared is the original function. And then step 3 is step 1 minus step 2. So it's 1 over x plus h squared subtract 1 over x squared. Now this is where I'm going to need to do the work. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it over a common denominator. So I'm going to multiply this guy by x plus h squared divided by x plus h squared, because the LCD is just the product of the two, and this one by x squared over x squared. So I'm going to have x squared over, and I'm just going to put LCD, minus x plus h squared all over the LCD, or x squared minus x plus h squared all over the LCD. Now I need to square out x plus h squared first so I can combine, and I'm just going to do it that direction so I have enough space. And this is going to be x squared minus x plus h squared is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared all over the LCD, which is going to be x squared minus 2xh minus h squared all over the LCD. X squareds will add to 0. Nothing but h is left in the numerator, so 2xh minus h squared all over the LCD, which is x squared times x plus h squared. So step 4 then says take what you got from step 3 and divide that by h. So this is minus 2xh minus h squared divided by x squared times x plus h squared. That all gets divided by h, and remember that this is h over 1. So I get to invert and multiply because this is a complex fraction. 1 over h times minus 2xh minus h squared all over x squared times x plus h squared. Numerator has a greatest common factor of h, so I'm going to factor that out. H times negative 2x minus h over x squared times x plus h squared. H's reduce out, and I'm going to be left with negative 2x minus h over x squared times x plus h squared. Now again, I'm not putting an explanation in behind this at this point as to what it is that we are finding. If you want a complete derivation of this, again, it's available.